This tutorial is all about percent of change. Percent of change describes an increase or a decrease in a quantity. You can have a percent increase, which is a positive value. This could be termed as growth, rise, gain, higher, etc. Percent decrease is a negative value. So you could think of it as less, down, lower, loss, etc. So there's somewhat of a formula for this. We put the change over the original amount is equal to percent over 100. This should look very familiar, okay? 100 will never change. The change is the difference between the new and the old. So the new amount and the old amount, okay? You just subtract the two to find the difference. All right, so let's see how this works. We have a number of students who signed up for the field trip. It increased from 32 to 45. We need to find the percent increase, and we're probably going to want to round to the nearest tenths. We'll see how this plans out. So we're going to do our formula. We're going to do change over the original equals the percent over 100. So the change, we have to find the difference here. So I'm going to do that over here. 45 minus 32 gives us 13. So 13 over the original amount, which was 32, that's where we started, equals, I don't know because I'm trying to find the percent over 100. Okay, so now cross multiply because I can't easily get from 32 to 100. So cross multiply and divide. So 13 times 100 is 1300. 32 times x is 32x. Divide by 32 to isolate that variable. Okay, we're going to get x equals something here. So work it out. 1300 divided by 32. Okay, now in the interest of time, we are going to go ahead and use a calculator for this. 1300 divided by 32 is 40.625. Okay, they want us to round to the nearest tenths, so 40.6. So squeeze that in here, 40.6, and this is a percent change. So they saw a 40.6% increase in the number of students. All right, let's take a look at the second one. The price of a textbook is $62.50. It went on sale for $52.40. We need to find the percent decrease. How much or what percent did it drop? Okay, change over the old or the original is equal to percent over 100. So the change, 62.50 minus 42.40. Bring a decimal down. 0. Okay, so 10.10. There's my change. So 10.10 over the original amount. The original amount was 62.50 is equal to, I don't know what the percent is, over 100. Okay. So again, can't easily go. So I'm going to cross multiply and then divide. So when I multiply, this becomes 1010. This is 62.50x. Isolate that variable. You get left with x. And this means we're going to do 1010 divided by 62.50. And again, because we need to save some time here, we're going to do 1010 divided by 62.50 equals, change that back, so 16.16. Okay, so let's round that to the nearest percent. So that will be 16%, and that's a decrease. Okay, so normally you would write the word 16% and then add decrease. Sometimes you could say it was a negative 16%, meaning it dropped. Okay, I hope this helps.